Greetings, Vadroni Mike here. Welcome to Vadroni Mike's Airline. Please relax and enjoy today's flight with Vadroni Mike. For today's flight, we are practicing cell tower inspections. I am estimating the tower to be about 225 feet high. Everything was fine until here, when the first bird came in for a strike. I had to drop back down to avoid a collision. Here I tried starting up the other side to avoid the birds that came back from the other cell tower nearby. Birds were quite persistent, and that led me to not completing the cell tower inspection practice. What a great flight! Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting the channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to never miss a flight on Vadroni Mike's Airline.